Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a donation through TD Canada. To start, open the website td.com. On their website, you will see a section for Easy Web Online Banking. Click on the Login button under Easy Web Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says Pay Bills. You will then be directed to this page. On the sub-menu, you will see an option for Make a Donation. Click on Make a Donation. Now, enter all the necessary details. On the first field, select an account. In this case, I'm going to use my checking account. If you would notice, the donation will be automatically donated to TD Friends of the Environment Foundation. So once you've selected an account, proceed to the next field and enter the amount you wish to donate. Minimum is $2. Also, select the distribution frequency, either monthly or one time. You also have the option to change the contribution start date and the email. After entering all the required information, click on Next. Lastly, review the donation details. If everything's good, click on Finish. That's how you make a donation through TD Canada. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.